Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen for those of you who have forgotten and can't remember it anymore on your Samsung A34. In a bit I'll talk about how you can remove the Google account, in case you need it, okay? In some cases you'll also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. So you can try it with the cable or without the cable, okay? You can leave it on the screen where it's asking for the password, or here on the emergency screen you're going to press the volume down button and the power button both at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters the mode recovery. I'm doing it here to make it easier for you to unlock your device, alright? So let's go. Hold volume down and power, keep holding until the device restarts. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I ask you to subscribe. Keep holding just a few more seconds, then release volume down and press volume up. It's not when the Samsung logo flashes here that you release the power button. When it flashes, you wait until the logo appears and stays on, then you release the power button. Let's wait, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here until it enters the recovery mode we mentioned to you. There you go, once you reach this screen. I also want to remind you that this procedure will work for other Samsung models as well. You can try this out yourself as well. Now go down and press the volume down button, go to the fifth option that says Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm with the power button. On the next screen, go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to finish, then confirm. One more time. Here your device is already being unlocked, it will restart, it will turn on, and you won't have any more issues. That's standard screen password or PIN in case you need to unlock your Google account. We also perform this unlocking procedure, even remotely. I'll leave my number in the video description or in the channel description. If you need to get in touch and talk directly with us to check the price for unlocking your device, feel free. You will need a computer, a USB cable and the AnyDesk program, which we can send to you, in case you don't have it, okay? If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude, I hope. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks and take care.